What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning, man. Just wanted to talk to you about something. So I know I have a lot of brothers out there who's hitting the ironworking field, who's hitting the millwright field, who's hitting the welding, installing, fabrication field, and you got dreams or goals to do something bigger, but you want to get the experience you need, but you got goals to do something bigger. Never forget about your goals. As long as you working around, you know, it's cool, you can improve your skills, but you're not going to make no money. You know, you want to use that money that you're making, though, from working hard and invest it in your business or in yourself, in your personal product, whatever you're doing. I'm going to stress this. Think about you. Keep you first. Businesses, companies, they're not worried about you. They're worried about the money that they're making. But you got to be worried about you. So keep that in mind when you're networking, man. Invest your money in yourself, because this stuff right here, it ain't gonna last long.